On an autumn day such as this, we're often motivated to take photographs of colorful leaves like the ones behind me. And what I'd like to suggest is that balance is a way to create the structure or form that helps your audience to understand what you're trying to say, to make your pictures more enjoyable for you and for others to look at. It's like a writer, if a writer didn't capitalize the first letter of the first word in a sentence and put a period at the end, the audience would very quickly lose interest in what you're trying to say, even if what you had to say was super interesting. And the same thing with the musician. If you just wanted to pound your fists on the keyboard of a piano, people would very quickly lose interest in what you were trying to communicate. And it's the same thing with imagery. With the understanding of balance, you can transform your visual experience and your thoughts and your ideas and emotions into an image that has structure and form that's more enjoyable for people to look at. So let's take this tree in the background as an example to illustrate how you can use balance as a way to create structure or form in your images that's going to work for the viewer. Like right there, you've got the small dark treetop on the near to top left, and then the tree with the colorful leaves, and it creates kind of a diagonal line. And so basically you've got a small dark area on the middle and bottom left, counterbalancing the large bright area comprised of the tree with the colorful leaves. Let's improvise by moving around and seeing if we can find any other. That's kind of interesting there, because now you've got a rhythm going between the tree on the left and the tree on the right, and then the tree in the middle has the colorful leaves, but you still have balance between small dark, large bright. Let's see if we can find anything else. That's kind of interesting too, with the notch of the tree trunk creating a triangle at the bottom near left, and some tree branches on the right, and the small dark tree on the left. So basically, again, it's still small dark and large bright, but some different combinations to create the structure and form. That's also quite interesting.